Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy homemade coconut and cinnamon flavored buns. I'm making this for my mom for Mother's Day. So let's get started. So the ingredients that you're going to be needing are 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of avocado oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The first step is to add 1 cup of coconut milk into your bowl. I'm using unsweetened coconut milk, but you can always use regular milk. So now once your coconut milk is in your bowl, you want to heat it in the microwave till it's about lukewarm. To the warm coconut milk, you are next going to add 2 teaspoons of yeast of the active dry yeast. Then you are going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Using the honey will help the yeast bloom. If you do not have honey, you can always use sugar. We are now going to mix the dry ingredients. So first I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose of whole wheat flour. Now 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Also, if you do not have whole wheat flour, or then you can just use all-purpose flour if you would like. Now you're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you are going to add 1/4 a cup of avocado oil. If you do not have avocado oil, you can also just use just regular oil or butter. So about after 15 minutes, the yeast has woken up and it looks all bubbly. Now we're going to pour it into our mixture that we just made. Now we're going to put this in our stand mixer. And I'm using a hook to mix it all together. Now we're going to lock it and set it into a low speed. I'm putting it at 2. Also, if you do not have a stand mixer, you can always knead it. That will take about 20 minutes, but using a stand mixer will take only about 12 minutes. So now I'm going to turn it off since it looks all nice and elastic. I'm going to just kind of mold it into a little ball and place it in a bowl. Then I'm going to take plastic wrap and place it all over the bowl. Now I'm going to leave it out for 2 hours at room temperature, and after 2 hours we'll see how it turns out. So this is how the dough looks after 2 hours. And as as you can see, it looks very fluffy and light, you know. And now I'm going to take it out and place it on this kind of board. Now I'm going to grease my hands with some oil. Next, I'm going to divide the dough into 12 equal parts. So first I'm going to divide it into fourths. Well, first in half, then into fourths. Once it's divided into 4 equal parts, I'm going to divide each part into thirds. Once you have your 12 little sections, I'm going to shape, you're going to shape each ball into a little kind of oval shaped ball. Now you're going to get a pan, and next you're going to take your oil and grease the pan on all sides. I'm going to transfer the balls inside. Then, once you're done, you're going to just add like a drop or two on each ball of oil. Spread it all over on top. Then you're going to take plastic wrap and cover the entire pan. You're going to leave this out at room temperature for 1 hour. So it's been about an hour. So now I'm going to take the plastic wrap off. And it increased a bit and it looks all nice and fluffy now. So now I'm going to add some oil on top. I'm just going to spread it all over. Now I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oven has reached to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you then want to place your dough inside. And then set a timer for 20 minutes. And start it, and in 20 minutes we'll see how it turns out. So now that it's done, I'm gonna turn it off. It smells so good. So it just came out of the oven, and I know it's just gonna taste so delicious because it already looks that way. So now I'm going to put a couple drops on each piece of bread, little ball of bread, and spread it just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a damp paper towel and cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna take the damp towel out, and the bread looks so tasty already. So now I'm gonna just take one out and try it. Look at that, so fluffy. So it's so soft, and I'm gonna try it. It's super good. I can taste the cinnamon, and it's very fluffy and soft. So this shows that you should definitely try and make this at home, and it'll taste super good. Thanks you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!